Hi guys, welcome to my $1 million challenge 4-month update, or what was supposed to be my 4-month update. The markets have been woeful, so I've been dragging my feet, so it's a bit late, so apologies there. And that's why I've got the doom and gloom background, but enough of that. Guys, it's just too depressing to go into detail on my portfolio, so I won't. I'll just share you the graphs and the stats, and when we meet again, I hope to have a brighter, rosier, sunnier outlook to my portfolio. From the highs of December, we hit even higher highs in January. So my $24,930 peaked at $28,500 early January. But then, as we all know, going into late January and early February and beyond, the market was pretty dire. So it went from January peaking at $28,500, it dropped down to $7,610. My portfolio, that was like a kick in the guts. It didn't feel good at all. From the peak in early January, that represents a drop of $20,890, or minus 275% from January to February. From December to February, we see a drop of $17,320, or 183%. It was highly shocking. So in hindsight, what I probably should have done is cashed out a lot, if not most of my gains in early January or even late December, and then park that aside to look at opportunities to buy in February and beyond into the dip. But great lesson learned about all the FOMO and all the positive news, people saying it's going to be $30,000 Bitcoin, $100,000 Bitcoin around the corner, and it all came crashing down. And I think it dropped to about $6,000. So in the next bull run, and I'm sure there will be another one, that will be my strategy. We'll have a cashing out strategy. So resisting my FOCO, that's fear of cashing out, and locking in some profits, and then having the cash reserves to buy into the dip. So all in all, at month 4, at February the 5th, I'm still ahead, so it's not so bad. So $2,610 ahead of my initial $5,000 investment, which is 52% gain. Looking back at the previous month, it shows how volatile this market is, and you just need to be diligent and alert and have your positions and trades ready to get out of positions. And also, I guess in hindsight, when you look at all the hype around December and early January, I would say that with that hype, when people are pronouncing all-time highs just around the corner, that's probably a really good sign to reevaluate your positions, or my positions, and take stock of it all and be prepared for a dip. And you know, this is not financial advice, so please talk to your professional advisor about this and do your own research. I'm only talking about my folio as it relates to me and my circumstances. So looking forward, fingers crossed the markets will get better and that we will have a better buying opportunities. How will I change my approach? I'm looking at some ICOs at the moment, so I'm putting money aside, putting my Ethereum aside, and purchasing some ICOs. Fingers crossed they will do well, and the plan there is to cash out when they grow a little bit and save a little bit for future growth, but try and recoup some of these losses with those ICOs. So there you go, guys, my portfolio update, which was too hideous to even verbalize. I'm hoping the next one's going to be a lot better, so click like and subscribe, and let's hope for a bull run very soon. This is aussietai, and you've been watching a crypto current affair. Click like and subscribe and join me on this crypto current affair. Just because it's double doesn't mean it's a bubble.